Welcome to Section 2. In Section 2, we shall be discussing sequences and inequalities. This is Mr. Alfred Gordon. Introduction. Sequences and inequalities provide insight into growth, trends, and constraints. Sequences and inequalities are used in businesses, physics, engineering, architecture, and decision making. This section covers sums of sequences, that is AP, arithmetic progression, and GP, geometric progression. It also covers convergence and divergence, recursive sequences, arithmetic and geometric means, linear and quadratic inequalities, as well as real-life applications. Now one may ask, what is a sequence? It's a set of numbers in a given order. Sequences, however, has terms, that is, each number in a sequence. For example, if you have a sequence of elements 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on, then 1, 3, 5, 7 are individual terms in the sequence. Also, we shall look at maximum, minimum, that is the highest / the least possible values satisfying constraints, quadratic inequalities solved by sketching associated